If you're looking for a way to expand the USB-C port on your iPhone, an iPad, or even a MacBook, then the Satechi on-the-go 7-in-1 MagSafe multi-port adapter is a great option. It's cool because the cord on it actually wraps around it for easy storage, and then it's just about the perfect length to use it on the back of your phone. It has an SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, power pass-through, 2 USB-A ports, an Ethernet port, and there's even an HDMI jack on the back of it as well. So it gives you all the essentials for keeping your phone hooked up to anything, or this also is a great pairing with the iPad. Before we go any further, I do want to say thank you to Satechi for sending me this for free to review. They've got no input in this content, and this is just going to be my thoughts on this adapter, if I think it's for you, and if I think you should maybe go for a different option instead. What's nice about this is the MagSafe on it actually has a really good hold on it. You can easily support the weight of your phone, and you can use this for a variety of different things, like if you want to move files from your phone to an SD card or to a USB-A flash drive, this would be a great option for that. This hub is made of plastic, but it has a nice high quality feel to it. It feels really durable, and I like that you can easily tuck the USB-C port away in it. At first I thought the USB-C cord was going to be a little short, but after testing it for a while with my iPad Air and iPad Pro with the Apple Magic Keyboard, the length on it is honestly just perfect. It could maybe be just a little bit longer to give a little bit better reach with the iPad, but it still totally gets the job done. In the box, they do also include this MagSafe ring with adhesive, so if you wanted, you could put it on the back of your Magic Keyboard case, or you could also always attach this to the back of your MacBook if you wanted to always be able to put this on the back of it and not have it sitting on the desk. I decided not to use this, but it is a nice touch that they added it in the box. Let's talk a little more about the ports they put on this and a couple things I think they could do to make the next version of this a little bit better. You use the single USB-C cord, and it's backwards compatible with any iPad, so all you got to do is have an iPad that has a USB-C port on it. This does have a USB charging pass-through port on it, and this can pass up to 80 watts of power to your host device if you're using this with a 100-watt charger. There's 2 USB-A ports, both giving 5 gigabits a second of speed. There's the 1 gigabit network port, which works really well. Love being able to use this with the phone, the tablet. Also works great with the computer. I've been using this for some video calls to keep my MacBook Air connected to the network. It also includes a HDMI port, which is really handy if you just need to plug into a TV real quick. The SD card and micro SD card slot are both UHS 1 speeds, so they're not the faster UHS 2 speeds, unfortunately. But I think the thing this is really missing is it needs one more USB-C port on this, because you can't keep this plugged into the network and then still keep an external SSD plugged into your iPhone unless you have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. And even if you're using it with the iPad and you want to keep an SSD plugged in, you're just going to be out of luck with this. So I think if Satechi wanted to make this perfect, they would need to get rid of one of the USB-A ports on this and swap it out for another USB-C port instead. The on-the-go hub is pretty small. It's a little bit bigger than an AirPods Pro case, but it definitely has more thickness than that. I did still find this to fit really well in my tech pouch for keeping all my other cables and things. And what I like about this is that it does fold up nice and sleek whenever you're not using it, which makes it really easy to travel with. The on-the-go 7-in-1 hub does retail for about $60, which I feel like is a little bit steep with this. Satechi does give you a 2-year warranty, but this is quite a bit more expensive than some of the other USB hubs I've used in the past. And I think the main reason you get this one is for the Satechi name recognition, as well as for the convenience of the MagSafe and the fact that the cord is able to be wrapped up on it so sleek. It does look really nice. The finish on it is very cool, and it just has a premium look and feel to it. It works perfectly. You don't have to use any external power, and there's no drivers required for it. I just think Satechi should have made this a little bit cheaper, or if they would have added one more USB-C port, I think this would have been perfect. But overall, really recommend this for anyone who's looking for the ability to add a few more ports to their iPhone or their iPad or a MacBook when you're traveling on the go. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'll have links to buy in the description below. If you got any other questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear them. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.